Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can add YouTube link on your Facebook. So if you guys want to add YouTube link on your Facebook profile, then follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First, you want to open your YouTube, and after you open your YouTube, you want to go to your channel. So I'm going to do that. So in order to go to your channel, you want to click on your profile picture at the top. Click on your channel. Now once you're inside your YouTube channel, at the top right corner you can see the three dots. You want to click on the three dots, and at the bottom you can see the share icon. You want to click on share. Once you see the copy link option, you want to click on copy link. Once it says copied, that means you just copied your YouTube channel link. Now you can close your YouTube and go back to Facebook. And on Facebook you can see the menu icon at the bottom right. Click on it. And once you're inside menu, you can see the profile name at the top. You want to click on your profile, and it's going to bring you to your Facebook profile. Once you're over here, you can see the edit profile option. Click on it. Once you're inside your edit profile, you want to scroll all the way down at the bottom until you see links. And on links, since I've already added a link, it shows me edit, but in your case, it should show you add a link. So I will click on edit, but you should click on add link. Click on edit, and over here, what you want to do is click on where it says add website. Click on it, and over here you need to paste the link of your YouTube. So I will post the link which I copied from YouTube. Click on done. Once I do that, my link has been added over here. And once the link is added, at the top right you can click on save and wait for some time until they saves it. And as you guys can see, my YouTube channel link is added. Now anyone can click on it and it'll take them to my YouTube channel. So yeah, that's how you guys can add a link of your YouTube on Facebook. Hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide if you guys found our video helpful. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.